Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to replace the side brush on your MOVA V50 Ultra. To replace the side brush, you need to flip your robot over to see the bottom of it. Now you'll see the side brush being right here. You need to unscrew it with a screwdriver, then basically pull it towards you. Then you can install a new one and unscrew it in. And that is basically it. That should be replaced every 200 hours of tasks performed in total, and it can be checked in the app by going to the three dots in the top right corner. I'll show you that. Once I click on three dots in the top right corner, I can scroll down to accessory usage. You can see I don't need to replace it yet. I still have 200 hours remaining because the brush is new, but after 200 hours you should replace it. It will notify you about it. Then once it's replaced, you should click on reset side brush so it resets the timer after replacement. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.